Waka is crying.
Princess Waka crying?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Let me go and find out.
My princess, you are crying. What happened? I came to check if I might be of help.
If you don't leave here this minute, I will make you regret the day you were born. Now get out!
I'm sorry.
Get out!
My princess.
Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! I need to be left alone. Yes. I need to face my fears. Waka, what have you done to yourself? What wrong decision have you made? I will soon be a laughing stock in this village.
I know you hate Adora. Yes, I know. I have an idea of what you do to take her out of the palace without any suspicion. Yeah? Ọchalụ m n'ụzọ ozugbo nje. Hai! Ebe a na-akọzi fa. Look at one bunch. She thinks she can compete with me. Adaeze, ọmalịcha, ọkwụrụ ọkalịsịa. Ugogbe Igbo. Nne! Henceforth, you're my best friend. The best of my best. Hey! Give me what I'm for since I did to girl. Just like that, I will take her out of the way. Let's go back to the house.
Oh, you're here. How did it go?
Really? I was able to complete her visit to the
Really? And she accepted? Thank you so much, my dear.
In a few days' time, you will see the results.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. But you have to start calling now. I'll come soon later. All right. Take it. Okay, yeah. Ujunwa said you have something to tell me.
Yes. I know how to take that thing out of the palace.
Oh, really? I don't want to ask you how, but I want to know why you want to do that for me.
Not for you or for anybody. I am doing it for my personal reason.
Personal reason? The most important thing is that she will be out of the palace. So what do you want me to reward you with?
I'm not doing this for any reward. Like I said, it's for my personal reason.
Oh, really? Okay, fine. Please, just try as much as you can to take her out of that palace. I want her out of the palace. I want her out of my husband's life. Because she actually came to ruin my life, to take me out of the palace by getting pregnant. Please, just do it. Thank you. Thank you so much.
What is it? What is it? What does the first wife of the prince want from you?
Huh? What else but to want us to stay away from the palace?
Are we not supposed to visit our friend again?
Visit our friend.
That's not fair.
So what do you? I see you like insult. The other time you visited, you are not okay with it. You like insult of where? Well, continue visiting. Don't say I did not want you.
But that's not fair. That's not fair. You should the only princess in this kingdom.
What are you doing?
Take it easy, we are not quarreling. I came to see you. Why are you angry?
You came to see me for how long? For like how many years now? What are you doing? Tell me.
Like I said, we are not quarreling. I came to see you. By the way, this someone in your room.
I'm alone. Nobody's in my room. But tell me, what are you doing here?
I will tell you. Why are they saying, calm down. Listen, I am here to tell you the reason I've not been delivering all your messages and advances to Adora.
Hey, you see, I said it before, and I'll keep saying it. Uru ano nishazo. Oh, you mean you have not been delivering all my messages to Adora? No wonder she didn't accept my proposal. Ha!
Listen.
Adeze.
Well, that is because I love you. Honestly, again, I love you.
You said you love me. Why didn't you tell me all this? Why? Yes. Why didn't you tell me?
I didn't know how to tell you. Besides, how can I tell you that I love you when you're in love with another person?
At least you would have at least told me or given me a sign. Well,
I'm telling you now. Ekene, I love you. Yes. Let's go inside.
No. You cannot go inside though. See, Adeze, Uru, Ano, Nishazo. Whatever you want us to discuss, don't worry, I have a seat. I'm coming.
Let's go inside.
Adeze, wait, I'm coming.
Hey. Yeah.
Adeze, I have a seat. Sit down. Whatever you tell me.
Okay. Like I told you before, I love you. Look into my eyes, you have love, my face, everything. I love you.
Adeze, I should look into your eyes. I am not seeing any love. I am not seeing any love.
Now look well, in enough, you will see love.
Wait, I'm not seeing any love. Tell me why you are here. Love.
Hi. Listen, I am here because I want you to do me a favor.
Favor?
Yes.
Go ahead. What's the favor all about?
Okay, listen. How would you like to shame Adora? Yes. Treat her the way she treated you. And drive her out of that palace. Remember all the things she did to you. Called you names, insulted you, snubbed you. Walking and Maggie. Where's the value? Remember all the things she did to you. It is time for revenge. Time for you to get back. Revenge. You understand?
You see,
No. You don't need to say anything. Just do it. Meanwhile, let's go inside and do see. You can walk inside. I want to see a guy. Let's go inside.
I said that I'll keep saying it. Let's go inside. Hey, Edu. My man, KJ.
Edu,
Kennedy the champion.
guess what?
You know I'm not good in guessing. Tell me, what happened?
Guess what?
What? Tell me.
Edu, I said it. And I will say it again.
Nura no Inshaz.
And I will keep saying it. You are not Inshaz, my brother.
What is it this time around? Sorry, I'm looking so excited.
Obago.
You know, Bago, one.
Yes, Obago.
Tell me you're lying. Okay, then what happened?
Eddie, Abisi is so sweet.
You mean that you have finally...
Yes.
Don't mind that days.
Now listen, I took it from the back.
Hey! Against the champion! Don't mind that days.
She's so sweet.
You see what she have. Don't mind that days. You finally...
But.
What again?
Sit down.
I've been thinking. What about again? After that, she gave me a condition. Like, the condition is attached to it.
What condition? God forbid, Ekene, you will do no such thing. Who is Adese to send you to a suicidal mission like that? Do you know what Adese is asking you to do? To go and commit suicide at the palace. Any day you step your foot into that palace, Ekene, you are not coming back alive. Have you been to the palace before? They have guns, machetes, top more of every other weapon to protect themselves. Ekene, don't do that. Don't ever think of that. Please, I'm begging you, as your friend. Ekene, you will not do that, my friend.
Ijendo has been of great help to me. Ever since you brought her, she's made life easy for me. I don't know what would have done without her. Imagine a blind woman like me.
I'm glad you're happy. That's the whole point of sending Ijendo to you. So she can help you whenever you need help. Okay? You don't have to worry.
Hey Ada, the last time you told me you were not feeling well. How are you feeling now?
I feel okay. But I'm just tired and I always throw up.
Tired? Throw up. Ada, I think you're with a child.
A child?
Yes.
Again?
You show the signs.
As far as offering my body to him. But he's yet to do what I asked him to do. That's why I'm here. I want you to use your spiritual powers to push him to do that which I desire.
Mean you gave your body to him?
Yes! Till the next morning. What a serious one I'm doing this year. Yet he has not been able to do what I asked him to do. So I want you to use your spiritual powers. Here are people carrying it so that you can
do that. Your request shall be granted.
Ha! Nakanje Komakaje. Odogu! Gaga Odogu! Hey! I think I woke over. Thank you.
That's why I'm here.
But only on one condition.
Any condition? How much? Even if I don't have the money for it, I will pay. Any amount. Just tell me.
You will give me my own share.
Your own share of what? I'm not sharing meat or fish. We share. Amam, I know.
You will give me what you gave to him.
Huh? You mean?
Except you don't want your request to be granted. Yes. Are you ready?
That's exactly my point. How come the police went for her? Are you sure that she did not steal the other girl? She can do everything. She's very desperate. Because I want to know. I want to know. Take her prince get photo in the camera. She will go for a do or mama. Ada.
You see what I was telling you? All this your gara. Fight here and there. You're not a. You see? All my hope of becoming the mother of the next queen of this kingdom has been dashed to the ground. Courtesy of who? Adora.
It's possible that she bewitched the prince. Because how can the prince leave somebody like you for that ugly Adora? But I must do something. I must ruin her marriage. She will come back to this man. Yes, she belongs to this family. I'm the one that is supposed to be in that palace enjoying, living luxury life. Ugly people, they do farm work, do hard labor. She will come back to this family. Ha!
You will do it! Can
you doing in this palace? You actually came out from Adora's chamber. Who are you? Where are the guards? Adora! Ebube! Adora! No. Do not come in, okay? Do not come in. Let's make them.
Go down! Go down! Down!
What is going on in my palace?
My husband, this young man was caught sneaking out from Adora's chamber. And when I asked what he came to this palace to do, he actually confessed that he is Adora's lover, that they are having an affair.
Let him speak for himself. Yogba, now speak.
It's true, Your Highness. I've been having an affair with Adora. Adora is my lover. Yes. Even her friends, they are aware of it.
You see?
Adora. And where is Adora?
Oh, she ran away. The shameless thing ran away.
Adora!
It is indeed a taboo. a taboo that we are hearing this thing happening here. How can the wife of a prince be associated with this kind of a thing? And it's an abomination that it's alleged to have been happening in the royal palace.
Oh no. You and I know that the custom and the tradition of this land forbids such act. The woman in question will be banished.
Hi! Makagin why you? President, caution. I say caution, caution, caution! What is it? The woman we're talking about, I know that woman to be virtuous. This is the same woman who gave you a male child.
Oh no. I know you know Prince Ikena very well. I do not just react. But my wife, my first wife, told me confidently in the presence of everybody that she saw the young man sneaking out of Adora's chamber, sweating heavily. The question is, what on earth and how on earth did that young man get into this palace? Not to talk of Adora's personal chamber.
Okay. Who else saw him coming out? Who else? We are talking about the same maiden. The same maiden who gave you a name, child. You yourself told me that this maiden was virtuous even before you met her. One person will see, another must witness. Can you witness? Listen, I told you, even I gas, wala. Anya nene sisi na kukwao. Si wala mamayo.
Oh no. The boy in question confessed to me that he did it.
Hey! George Abasa.
Okora could leave us. Adore, I broke your maiden head. I made you a woman. Tell me, how did you do it?
I swear, no man has ever seen my nakedness, let alone cross my legs.
Shut up. Shut up.
But your friend Daisy confessed to me that you had a lover. Now tell me the truth. Was it before or after I laid with you?
I have never laid with any man. I am innocent. I swear with the life of my child and the life of my unborn child. I have never.
Enough!
Never you swear with the life of my son again!
Ikena, I am innocent. I don't know what you want to believe, but I am innocent.
Okoraku! Look out!
My prince, I have seen her.
Igokwe, it is quite unfortunate that your news turned into bad news overnight. But one thing I didn't know was she was evil, an infidel.
Now, my prince, your second wife is my niece. Your second wife is the daughter of my little brother. Yes. But that will not make me support evil. I am not a supporter of evil. I cannot vouch for that girl. The monk said that he can only vouch for the child in his womb. I have one advice to give you. If she is found wanting, if she is found guilty, then she should be punished. I don't understand. Even go one, you be there. Eh? One, you be there.
That was a wise thought. Then, justice must be served.
How are you?
I'm not fine. Look at me. Just look at me.
I need not ask you if you're innocent, because I know you are. Even the blind knows you are innocent. So stop crying. Stop crying.
No man has ever had carnal knowledge of me except the prince. I'm innocent. How do I say this?
Adora, you know we have been friends together before you got married. I know you like the tip of my finger, and I can vouch for you like a referee.
May, I want you to stop crying. Stop crying. The day of reckoning is close. And everyone that has plotted this evil against you will be exposed. Don't cry. I don't want you to cry again, okay?
One Neka.
Yes?
Your hair is stubborn.
It's not my fault. It's my nature. All the ladies in this village has long hair. I'm the only one with black hair.
Okay, one Neka.
Yes?
There is trouble.
Trouble? How do you mean?
I heard that Ikenna was caught sneaking out of Adora's chamber.
What? But how sure are you?
I overheard my father and the elders discussing about it. And from the look of things, she might be banished from this village.
Banished?
Mm-hmm.
This is serious.
Alichi.
Alichi, stop crying. Keep crying over this your friend again. Stop, please. He got what he deserved. Tell me, how can a normal human being be caught sneaking out of the prince's wife's chamber? Hey, brother. I hope he's enjoying his stay in the palace cell.
Oh no. I have come to seek your advice on something because a whole lot of things are not adding up to me at all. I was the first man that laid with Adora. I am the first man who touched her. I made Adora a woman, but I still do not understand a woman who has kept herself for so long will commit such an abominable act. Oh no, something is fishy. I am confused and I need to find out.
You know, Prince Ikenna, people do not change overnight. And I'm quite a Awolago keji amago. The maiden we are talking about is known throughout this village as hardworking, as being virtuous. Yes. So I don't understand this. Just like you said, it does not add. It does not add up one bit. Maybe you should call the maiden whose name was mentioned and ask her one or two things. It seems to be a surprise to me. This is complicated and I can only advise that we approach it carefully.
So, no, are you suggesting I invite the maiden for question?
I was just being careful. So we need to be.
Inekeligwe na okwu ihe na-eme n'ụwa. Ekekeruwa na okwu ihe na-eme n'ụwa.
Adora, ma'am, did you do it?
Wait. It's like you're just parroting it. I didn't do it. Adora, answer me now. Did you do it?
Quiet!
Adora, do you know Ekene?
Yes.
Good. Ekene, with whom you did it, has confessed to the act. And what's this girl's name? Adeze. You work in the same place with Adeze. And Adeze also has attested to the fact. Why are you hell-bent on denying?
I didn't do it. They're lying. I am innocent of this crime. I didn't do it.
Adeze, look at us here. We are the elders in council. If we take you before Okundo's shrine, will you swear an oath?
Yes, I'll swear.
Father, are you going now?
I'm coming in.
Father, is it true that Adora will be banished from this kingdom?
Father, do you think she did what she's accused of?
Stop this now.
Wait, now I'm asking him for it.
Banished. I don't know about punishment. Yet, the prince seems to have made up his mind what to do. Whether to banish or not to banish. Adora. Only our gods will save her. Complicated. Yeah, Ndadu. Go and get my tie. I don't know.
Papa.
Go get my cap.
If you want any discharge, you.
Dad, bring her out. Take her back in 5 minutes' time.
Don't cry. I keep having this feeling I will not see you again. God forbid. I will not die. I will survive the odds. Don't cry. Be gentle. Bring the food.
Gentle. Sister, go inside. Sister, please let me take you inside. Go inside. Sister, but I want to take you inside. Please let me take. Go inside. Go. God of my fathers, why have you forsaken me? I lost my parents mysteriously. I'm left alone to suffer in this world.
Now the only helper that I have is going to die for a sin she knows nothing. God, are you still there? Why would you allow all this evil to befall me? I will not live to watch Adora die. It is better I die than to live to hear of her death. Take my life! Take my life! Take my life! Sister! Somebody please help me! Adora, what's that? I'm to get into the compound. Suddenly she fell down and died.
Chineke likwasị na okpuru n'ụwa ekekere ụwa siri na okwu ihe na-eme n'ụwa obi n'ikwe na okwu ihe na-eme n'ụwa ụwa ịnọ n'ime ya ụwa juru n'omimi.
Tomorrow is the D-Day. Yes. Is either Adora is being killed, banished, or vindicated.
Hey! What a poor girl. No father, no mother, only left with a wicked uncle who doesn't even care. Hi! I pity her.
The one that pains me most is because we are not going to be allowed to go and witness it. Because of the decision of those king's cabinet. Ha!
Poor Adora. I can't believe this. Hi!
What do you see?
God of my fathers, you are a caretaker of justice and peace. An innocent queen has been accused of infidelity, a crime she knows nothing of. She has no strength or power of her own to free herself. I ask that you, God of justice, go and fight her battle.
Indeed, I'm a God of justice. He who comes to me with clean hands will definitely go home victoriously. My daughter, go home. Go home.
May your glory reign forever, for you are the God of justice and peace.
Go.
We all know why we are gathered.
Adora here has been accused of having an affair. Our princess here, Princess Waka, saw a young man coming out of her room, sweating profusely. He has since confessed that he had carnal knowledge of Adora. But Adora denies it all. So we have come here. We have therefore brought her here to swear an oath to prove her innocence. Abalamai. Ogumnon. Lichi. Wi-Fi.
Ọjọ́bọ̀ sí mú ẹ̀tálí òbí dáńdá. Ọ̀pọ̀ àgbà ń bọ̀ tó nà ọ̀gbà àgbà àbọ̀ tó nà ọ̀gbà òbòdó nù sọ ọ̀gbà ẹ̀ka pèlákì. Ọ̀pọ̀ onye nwata ga-ekwu ebe a ya asụbalị anya. Adure. Death or banishment awaits you. Found you. Though coconut is sweeter than kola nut, but we treat kola nut with respect. The mountain that is closer to the river does not fear rainfall. Now, take this. And repeat after me. If I have ever laid with another man, since the prince took me in as a wife, let the gods strike me dead. But if I am being accused falsely, let it return back to my accusers.
If I've ever lived with any other man, since the prince took me in as a wife, let the gods strike me dead. But if I'm wrongly accused, let it go back to my accusers.
She's innocent! She's innocent! I planned it all! I was so pained when I noticed the prince was falling in love with her and he gives her more attention. I had to plan with her friend Adese. When I noticed she was pregnant again. Oh, please forgive me. Adora, I'm so sorry. I want you to find a place in your heart to forgive me, please. My prince, please forgive me, my crown. I did all this because I love you so much. And I never wanted to share you with anybody. Please forgive me. It was because I love you so much. I am sorry to say that I cannot be a mother. I knew I was not going to give you a child even before we got married. Please, my womb was damaged, courtesy of a mistake I made in the past. I actually removed the pregnancy. Please forgive me.
Come and see the fish I brought for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
After fishing travel the whole night, I call this one alive for you.
Thank you, it's big.
Touch it. It's just like you. Come and see. Just touch it.
It's very big.
Touch it. Come back. Now, okay. I want you to take this thing inside and prepare a very delicious onubu soup.
Okay, no problem. Let me go in and get something to eat.
Alright, go. Yes.
Okay. I think.
Give me that call.
No.
I love call. Oh, God.
Okay, for the last time, I'll give you this time around.
All right.
Take it easy.
See, love. See, whenever I set my eyes on you, I remember how much I'm loved. No, my love for you never will always keep burning till the end of it. I love you so much.
If Nanya, my heartbeat.
Oh,
You know what?
What?
I want to assure you that nothing will make me leave you. Wow. Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming into my life, okay? I love you so much.
I love you more.
Thank you. So, what are we having tonight?
Your favorite, Akidi. Akidi and Yam.
You want me Akidi?
Sure.
No, Akidi so very well.
No. I know you want some more.
Yeah, I want some more. Give me some more. Please. Please. I love you so much.
Love you, Mama. Nothing else but you.
Yeah. Okay, let me now open for you. So
Okay.
That for me. Take it easy, babe. Alright, just one bite. Just a bite.
Okay.
Just a bite. Just a bite.
Oh, stop. I want to take it.
Alright,
No,
well, sorry.
I don't want to.
Sorry, you took time, yeah? Yeah, it takes time to prepare, okay? Hope it will work very fast. Again, I'll do it fast. It will work now. I've gotten pregnant 3 times and I've used this.
It worked.
Well, drink everything. Sorry. One if I know now. Me and me, I'm gonna do so. Bye-bye.
As in why here also has a hand in what happened to her jury.
My princess, a toad does not know. To what do I owe this visit?
Abalawani, I want to have a private discussion with you.
Private discussion, you see?
Abalawani, I came to ask for a great favor, and I will be glad if my request is being granted.
And what would that do again?
Abalawani, I want you to make sure Adora dies tomorrow. I don't want her to survive the oath. It is either she dies or she is being banished. Yes, I, Princess Nwaka, wants to be the only queen the people of Umungene will have and know.
You want me, Abalawani, to compromise the standard of the gods? Oh, Alo!
Abalawani, Princess Nwaka is ready to back up this request with huge prize. Yes. Let me start with this. Abalawani, all deeds yours. And you know my father's land at Umuchime before the riverside. That land will also be yours. Think about it, Abalamai.
Hey!
You say sure? Forgive me. You should forgive me. Please forgive me. Forgive me. I am so sorry. And I am ready to change. Please, please.
Yay!
What are you doing out here, Adam? Nothing. What is it? I just want to see fresh air. What about fresh air? Who are your sisters? I'm sleeping. And you are here. By this time, you said nothing. So what about fresh air? Daisy. Mom will never hate us. Good night, Mama. Good night, Mama.
Wajuru no mimi wale